Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with 10 amazing upgrades for your Swiss Army knife or for your Swiss Army knife kit. When you are looking for an upgrade for your bushcraft and survival activities, the Victorinox Firestarter kit is a great choice. There are two components in this kit. This orange version is the tinder bundle, and you can screw the tinder bundle inside. And the second component is this little fire steel here, and you also can screw the fire steel inside, so you have the fire kit always with you. And I have to mention that the sharp backspine of your Victorinox saw is an excellent striker for your fire steel. This is the Victorinox Deluxe Tinker, and it's one of my most carried Victorinox Swiss Army knives. I love the combination of the pliers, the scissors, the blade and the Phillips head screwdriver, but I have done two modifications to make it a more perfect EDC tool. This tech pocket clip was an amazing present some years ago, and I love to carry my Victorinox in the pockets with the clip. So it's easy to grab and you don't have to search it inside your pockets. All in all, one of the best Victorinox modifications I've ever made. I use this tool nearly every day. And I have added the Victorinox Plus scales, so I have next to the tweezers and the toothpick two more tools inside the scales: the needle and the Victorinox pen. This is the large Victorinox holster for the Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit, and it's one of my favorites when it comes to a Victorinox kit. When we are talking about EDC kits, in my opinion, it's always important to carry an emergency power bank and a flashlight, and this Phoenix eSpark fits perfectly into the slot for the BitKit. The slot for the Victorinox BitKit in this pouch is, in my opinion, a game changer. It's enough space to carry, for example, a Knipex Cobra in the XS version. And when you are looking for another high quality tool that fits inside, the Knipex pliers wrench is also a great choice. And here you see a standard setup of this Victorinox pouch. We have the bit extension here, we have the BitKit here, we have the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit here, and I have to mention that the corkscrew in combination with the screwdriver for the eyeglasses is also a very useful upgrade for your kit. And I talked about the Victorinox Fire Kit before, and I named the Victorinox screwdriver for the eyeglasses too. You can change these two items depending on your needs. This one is more an urban tool and this one is more a survival tool, depending on your activities and depending on your needs. You can add the Victorinox corkscrew here, and so you have a fully functional corkscrew for a great evening with some bottles of wine. Maybe you need more bits next to the Victorinox BitKit, so you can also add, for example, a Leatherman BitKit. It's very small and lightweight, and it also fits perfectly into this pouch. But I have to mention that the fit of the Leatherman bit and the Victorinox key isn't perfect, but you can work with this combination. You find different versions of the Victorinox BitKit. You find also a version with a ratchet, but when you want this key in combination with a ratchet, there's, for example, this mini ratchet from Bosch, and this one fits inside perfectly. When you have all the items together, the Swiss tool, the corkscrew, the BitKit here, the bit extension, everything is very tight together, and you create a small new slot, and this one is a perfect slot for a mini ratchet. Let's talk about the Victorinox 111mm series, and I love to carry the models of this series on my belt. This one is the Victorinox Outrider. I had the problem that I didn't find the right pouch until I see this Boker pouch here. The Victorinox Outrider sits in very perfectly and secure, and I have a great option to carry this one on my belt. And this is a two-way carry. You can carry it on your belt this way and this way. When we are talking about the best products from Victorinox over the last years, we definitely have to mention the pocket clip. This one is the pocket clip for the Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit series, and there's also a pocket clip for the Victorinox Swiss tool series. In combination with the one-hand opening blade and the pocket clip, this one is perfection for EDC. I love to carry this tool in my pockets. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your upgrades for your Swiss Army knife or your Swiss Army knife kit. I'm excited about your ideas and I'm excited about your comments. Thanks for watching.